Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make kiss cut and die cut stickers. So if you're interested, keep watching. These are the stickers we are going to use in today's tutorial. I made these in Canva using images that allow you to change the color based on your preferences. We're going to start off creating a kiss cut sticker sheet, one where you won't have to cut off the registration lines yourself, but the Cricut will do all the cutting for you. Let me show you how. First, we're going to move the stickers to the side because we don't need them just yet. Then click on the Shapes tab over here on the left. Select the rounded square. I'm going to go to the lock and unlock it to change the width to 7 and the height to 7.5. I also want to change the color of this box, so I'm going to click on the dark gray box here and click on white. Next, I want to duplicate this box 3 times. I will explain why in a bit. Then I want to go over to the right panel, hold Shift on my keyboard and click on 2 of the squares so that I can move them all at once until we need them. Then click on the text box and type in Friend Vibes. I'm going to bring Friend Vibes toward the top of the box, make it a little smaller. And I also want to change the font and the color. So we're going to start with the font, clicking on the drop down box, then System. And I am going to System because it is a downloaded font. And I'm going to type in Microphone. And Microphone check pops up. Then I am going to click on the dark gray box at the top to change the color. Click on Advanced. And here I'm actually going to type in the color code. And this is the exact pink that you see here in the stickers. I got that code from Canva. Now I want to drag over both Friend Vibes and the box. Click on Align and then click Center horizontally. Since we still have them both selected, I am going to click on Flatten down here at the bottom. Now we can highlight these 3 boxes and bring them up on top of the Friend Vibes box. I'm going to highlight over all 4 boxes. Click on Align and then click Center. And I also want to click Attach. The reason why we have brought all these boxes together because doing this will tell your Cricut to cut around your stickers 4 times, which means it will make 4 passes. This way you will have a standalone sticker sheet and you won't have to cut off your registration lines yourself. The Cricut will have already done it for you. Now we can bring the stickers over. I'm going to right click on my mouse and bring it to the front. Shift it just a little bit. Now drag over both and click Align, Center horizontally, and Attach. Now our sticker sheet is ready, but we're going to move on to the die cut stickers. So I'm going to click on the eye to hide it and click on this eye to bring up our die cut image. Let me explain what the die cut sticker is. So it is a standalone sticker that still has a backing on it. It is just like the stickers that companies sometimes put in your shopping bag if you've purchased something, or in a box if you purchase something online. If you find one sticker in your purchase, that is considered a die cut sticker. If you pay for Cricut Access, you will have this Create Sticker tab in the top panel. If you aren't a Cricut Access member, you can still create die cut stickers. You will just have to do it a different way. What you will do is click on Offset to create the offset. As you can see this outline here, it will make your offset bigger, or you can make your offset smaller. Once you have chosen your offset size, you can click Apply and it will create an offset for you. But today I am going to use the Create Sticker tab, so I'm going to click on the sneakers and click on Die Cut. You can choose your border. You can choose to have no border and stay on None, or click the drop down box and click on Thin, Standard, Wide, or Custom, which is very similar to the offset area, and you can make it larger or you can make it smaller. I am going to go with Standard. I also want my border to be white, but you could also make it black, or you can click here and choose different colors, but I'm going to go back and click on white and then click Apply. So my die cut sticker is ready to go. Now we are ready to make both our Kiss Cut sticker sheet and our die cut sticker. So let's click on Make. We're going to start here with the sticker sheet and click Continue. Then click on Send to Printer. I'm going to leave the bleed on and then click on Use System Dialog. Then click Print. Here I'm going to use my Canon printer. I also want to click on Media and Quality. This part of the process is always based on the printer you have, so you will select your settings based on your printer. I am going to click on Feed from the Rear, Matte Photo Paper, and Best, and then click Print. Once it is done printing, I am going to put the sticker sheet on my mat in the left corner and then click on the material settings. The one I use for sticker sheets is Printable Iron-On Light. Now, this is the setting that works best for me. It took me a while to figure out the best setting for Kiss Cut stickers, so you may have to play around with your settings because everybody's Cricut cuts out slightly different depending on the pressure or the sharpness of your blade. The die cut sticker is printed and is ready to go through the Cricut to be cut. But first, I need to choose a cut setting. When you use the Create Sticker feature, it automatically gives you these options to choose from. I am going to click on Printable Iron-On Dark and change the die cut pressure to more, then send it through the Cricut. Everything is all cut out. I'm going to take my sticker sheet off the mat by turning the mat over and pulling the material away from the mat. As you can see, the outline of the sticker sheet is removed first, where it has the registration lines. And now I'm going to take the sticker sheet from the mat. This is what I mean when you'll have a sticker sheet and the registration lines would be cut away from your sticker sheet. This is why we created the 4 boxes and put them over top of each other, so the Cricut knew to make 4 passes. And you can easily pull your stickers up. You can have your personalized label at the top and give your sticker sheet to whomever you please. Let's bring in the die cut sticker. Here is the die cut sticker. I'm going to turn my mat over once more and the sticker comes right out. The backing is still on it and it can easily be removed to apply to the surface of your choice. The die cut sticker and the sticker sheet came out perfectly and they are super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful and provided a clear and easy way to make kiss cut sticker sheets and die cut stickers. I will link the sticker sheets I used and any other materials below in the description box. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. And if this video was helpful or you learned a little something, I would love it if you would click the like button and of course, share and subscribe. Until next time, later guys.